There are 3 funnels every agency should have. Today I'm going to cover funnel numero uno. Okay, first off, if you have never seen this book, or if you don't know what this book is, .com Secrets, this is the book about funnels that you must have. You got to know it. And today we're going to be focusing on the book, on the funnel rather, that is on page 142. Now, before we jump into this, I actually want to tell you how I make most of my higher ticket sales. Okay, it's not in the way that you might think. This first funnel is the foundation of every agency, and it's the foundation that everyone skips. Now, you've heard that in real estate, the number one rule of real estate is what? Location, location, location. Marketing has the same exact rule, except for in this case, it is not location, it is list, list, list. You must build a list. And this first funnel is all about building a list. Let me show you how it works. Okay, I'm gonna draw it, but first off, it's called a squeeze funnel, and it's all about getting leads and building your list. All right, so this is your squeeze funnel. Again, the goal is to build your list. Why do you build a list? Because when you run ads, you want to convert ads that you pay money for into emails that you can send messages to for free. So you want to convert paid ads into owned traffic. That's like marketing 101. Okay, so how does this whole thing work? So we have 2 steps. This is a really simple funnel. And you want to think of this as a simple funnel, but you also want to think of this as what is my goal of this funnel, because that's what you're going to do right here. So curiosity hook. If you want to get opt-ins, the best way is to lead with curiosity. And my favorite formula for that is what I call B plus C equals I. I got this from my boy, Gary Bencivenga. Benefit plus curiosity equals interest. If you want somebody to take the action, you have to instill curiosity in the hook. Or in other words, get something that they really want, something that they're curious about, put that in front of them so that they will give you their email. That's all you want, is their email. And if you get that, you're good to go. By the way, there's a ton of different strategies now that we have techniques, like you can do posts and then have people comment stuff, and then ManyChat will send them stuff. This is all different forms and techniques of squeeze funnels. So the point is we want to gather and capture our audience's emails and then introduce them to our next step, which your next step is learn more about my product, learn more about my community, learn more about whatever it is. You've got a video, you've got a captive person sitting there, and they will watch your stuff. So you got to put your best stuff right there. And so what I'm doing for you right now is I'm actually making a prompt and an example squeeze page that you guys can have. If you want it, just comment squeeze below and I'll send it to you. The reason that this whole thing actually works is because the fortune is in the follow-up. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. And how else can they do that unless they hear your words and unless they hear your thoughts and your ideas? And the more you provide that to them, sending weekly emails, daily emails, whatever suits your business and your model the best, the more they're going to trust you and want to buy from you. So check it out. Go crush it.